Hi, this is Professor Sasha Carter. I'm outside Kelly's Food Market here in Carlsbad near Point Stadia Drive. This week in class, we're going to be talking about, last week we talked about how we build the ocean. This week we're going to talk about what goes into the ocean. There's two things that go in the ocean. There's one, sediment goes in the ocean. Where does that sediment come from? The weathering of the land surface by chemical and mechanical processes, which is why most of the thick sediment deposits are right next to the land mass. The other subject we're going to be covering today is trying to figure out why there's some glitches here. Then of course the other thing goes into oceans is, you heard it, water. Yes. And we're going to learn that how these two actually relate to each other, because it turns out the chemistry of water is a reflection of the weathering and breakdown of rocks on land. It's also a reflection of us, and it's why I'm doing this at the seafood market. Well, it's these nutrients and chemicals are what allow beautiful shellfish like our local mussels and oysters to form their shells and develop their unique taste. So, all in all, this is also a chance to talk about some of the greatest environmental problems you might not have heard of, including the acidification. Shells are made out of calcite, a lot of them anyway, and as they start to break down, as the oceans get more acidic, some of that starts to dissolve the animal cells, making them harder to form. So we'll talk a bit about that when we do seawater chemistry. Finally, hopefully you've gotten your project topic selected. I'll be getting your feedback on that by later on Monday. And this is our first midterm. Good luck. It's happening right now. Finally, last but not least, I hope you enjoyed this week's tour of the Scripps Core Lab. It's one of my favorite little side lectures. It's a nice change of pace for what we've done the first quarter of the semester. So I look forward to giving you some feedback and seeing and talking to you at my regular office hours.